Mastering Idioms. Understanding cool as a breeze. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms in the English language. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, cool as a breeze. Idioms can add color to our conversations and help us express ideas in a more vivid and creative way. So, if you're eager to enhance your English fluency and charm your listeners, you're in the right place. The phrase, cool as a breeze, is used to describe someone or something that is very calm, relaxed, and untroubled. Imagine a gentle, refreshing breeze on a hot day. It's soothing, isn't it? That's the kind of ease and coolness this idiom refers to. It's not about the temperature, but rather about a state of mind or attitude that is effortlessly calm and collected. While the exact origin of cool as a breeze might not be pinpointed, it draws on the natural comparison between the refreshing quality of a breeze and a state of emotional calmness. This idiom is a beautiful example of how natural phenomena are often used in language to describe human emotions and behaviors, highlighting the deep connection humans feel with the world around them. To fully grasp the usage of cool as a breeze, let's look at a few examples. In personal contexts, even when the job interview got tough, Jamie remained cool as a breeze, answering all questions with a smile. In descriptive writing, the protagonist of the novel walked into the chaos of the ballroom, cool as a breeze, and immediately caught everyone's attention. In everyday conversations, I was so nervous about the presentation, but you looked cool as a breeze up there. These examples show that being cool as a breeze can be a valuable trait in various situations, from handling stressful events to making a strong impression. Learning idioms like cool as a breeze can significantly boost your language skills. They allow you to express complex ideas succinctly and creatively, making your speech more engaging and relatable. Moreover, understanding and using idioms can enhance your listening comprehension, especially in casual and natural English conversations. We hope this exploration of cool as a breeze adds a refreshing touch to your English learning journey. Idioms are the seasoning of language, and mastering them will not only improve your communication skills but also bring you closer to the heart of English-speaking cultures. Remember, the key to becoming fluent in English, or any language, is to stay as cool as a breeze, embracing each learning opportunity with calmness and confidence. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.